If you've been wanting to add a live interactive apartment search to your website, but you don't need our full CRM platform, then the IDX Listings Map from Locator IDX is for you. It's half the price of our full package, and it's a simple standalone website widget that lets your website visitors search real-time apartment listings right on your website. Every lead captured is delivered to your inbox. So let me walk you through exactly how it works. First, you purchase the IDX listing map here, and then you will want to log in. After you log in, the first step is to add properties to your map. You can use all of these search filters to determine the exact properties that you want to add to your map. You can select your location by city center and then mileage if there's a primary property that you want to focus on, or if there's a Google Places location that you want to use as a starting point for location. Then you would enter the miles around the radius of that location to start your search. For this demonstration, I'm going to do the entire city. You also can determine if you want every property or just ones that are paying a locating commission. So I've put in a 10% minimum commission. And then you can also determine like a minimum rent. Maybe you don't want any apartments on your map that are less than $800. After that, you just apply the filters. You can see that there's 520 properties. I believe this is the Austin market. So there's 520 properties that meet that criteria. So then you can either just select individual properties like this, or the more common use case for this kind of map is going to be to select all 520 properties and then save them to your map. All right, now you can see that there's 520 properties saved on the map, and that's it. Your map is ready to be installed on your website. There's no coding, no manual data entry, no complicated setup, and the prices update automatically on your map, so your map always stays up to date. Now, before you copy the iFrame code, you need to review the map settings. You can decide if you want to show the apartment names on the map. My recommendation is that you do. I think it gives a much better experience, and I think that you will capture more leads than if a website visitor comes and the name of the apartment is an ID number. That is just my recommendation, but if you want to show the apartment names, then you would select yes. The other option is you want to show an ID number initially, but then you want to only show the names after the registration. Again, I personally recommend this one. I think you capture more leads this way. The last setting is the map zoom level. So by default, it's going to start at a 10, which is zoomed out. But if you have a map in a smaller market, like maybe Charlotte, North Carolina, or something like that, you might want to change this to an 11 or 12. Of course, you can adjust this at any time so that the map loads exactly the way that you want it to. Now, if you're going to share your map in, let's say, your email signature, with a link in your email signature or an email marketing campaign, then you would want to copy the link and then you can paste it to your email signature or marketing campaign. But the more common use of the map is going to be embed the map into a website. So for that, we're going to copy the iFrame code. You can embed the map on WordPress, Squarespace, Wix, or really any website that allows an HTML block. So now I'm going to show you a demo WordPress page and show you how easy it is to install the map. So this is the demo page that we have set up. And I'm going to add an HTML block to the page. And you can see I already have the page kind of set up. I do recommend that your row is 100% wide versus a block, but that's depends on the WordPress theme that you're using. So you just go and type in an HTML block, drag it over to the row, and then just paste the iframe code that we copied. And then as you can see, the map is loaded on the page. Now you just have to publish it. And just like that, this page now has a fully interactive live apartment search to capture leads 24/7. No plugins, no developer, no complicated integration. So let's test it. I'll enter a sample lead into the map so that you can see the live search. Okay, so here's our fake lead that we've entered. Let's hope that YouTube doesn't pull this video down for it's just a test lead. Once a website visitor registers on your map, the lead is instantly sent to your email. Now, without the full Locator IDX package, you don't have access to our CRM, but there are lots of ways to forward the email notification from your inbox to any CRM that you're using. Now let's look at the actual search experience. Visitors can explore listings, view pricing, see photos, and move around the map. They can modify their search criteria as many times as they want so they get to the exact price point and amenities that they're looking for. Once they zoom into the area and location that they're interested in, they can select and save a property to the apartment list. Once they select their first property, the search then automatically zooms in around that location so that they can find other apartments that are similar to the one that they just chose. As you can see, the saved properties turn red, the unsaved properties remain black so that they can easily see the properties that they selected. When they save properties, those saved listings are also sent to you by email. So you can see not only what they've saved, but what they're interested in. You're not just getting their name and phone number, but you're also seeing the properties that they saved to their list. And that's the IDX Listings Map, a live apartment search. You control the listings and you can embed on any website, but also share with a link where the property information and the pricing is automatically updated. There's no maintenance for you. It's perfect for apartment locators that already have a CRM system, real estate brokers that want a map widget on their website to boost SEO, also moving companies that want an apartment map on their website, and even renters insurance companies that want to attract renters to their website. It's a great map widget, and Google loves the map on your website. It definitely has an impact on your SEO. You can sign up today at locatoridx.com. And if you'd like to see more tools built specifically for apartment locating professionals, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.